Welcome back to Jam Fit. Well, I thought I'd share this video with you. It's a conversation with the
I
Prime
see that.
Minister
I
and
see
a
that.
senior citizen, and it is quite touching and
93.
very moving. And I thought I would share it with you on this platform. So please watch the video and let me know what you think about this rather special moment.
So you,
Oh, I am trying.
I see that. I see that.
I am 93 years of age.
93.
94. Next month, I'm
Wow.
95. Yes. I'm an old pensioner. Yeah, my husband.
So you come here to pick up your pension.
Yes.
So how did you get here? You took the bus?
I boarded a taxi.
A taxi?
And somebody kind of paid for me.
Pay for you?
Yes.
That's good. Can you
Yes.
imagine that?
Yes.
Yeah, she boarded a taxi and somebody paid for her.
Yes.
That just speaks to the Jamaican spirit.
Yes. And said, Mommy, don't you pay. I pay for you.
Oh.
And I said, oh God, bless you. We here for the day. Yes. 100. Yes.
What did you do? What was your profession before you
I
retired?
used to work on the bus.
You used to work on the bus.
Yes.
So you know JOS days.
To and fro. Yes, sir. I used to do that and take care of my mommy and so 7 of us and all of them gone and leave me alone. Yes.
But God has blessed you with long life.
He do. I go abroad and preach.
You preach
Tell them
abroad.
about God's
Yes.
goodness. Yes. 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 Yes.
Oh, this is lovely.
Yeah, I'm here. Yes. Greetings to you all. Yes, and enjoy the day with
Thank you.
Prime Minister.
Oh,
Yes.
thank you. Thank you.
Yes.
We know the challenges that our pensioners face. The pension is never enough.
It's true.
The inflation
Yeah.
moves much more quickly than how we can increase the pension.
And everybody getting older. And
Yes,
money
there are
have to share.
yes, there are more people becoming pensioners than because the society is slowly aging. But we do have a plan to treat with the pensioners. And what we have done, first thing we have done is to put in something called a social pension. So if you were not an NIS contributor, whilst you are in your working years and you are 75 years old or older, then we do give a small grant, I believe it is monthly, to support your household and yourself.
My whole house is into a condition. The was it called? The storm?
The hurricane that
Oh
passed.
yeah, blows the top down inside.
Really?
Yeah.
No, we have to take a look at that and assist you.
Wants repairing.
It needs repairing. Well, I'm going to commit to have it looked at and to see how best we can repair it for you. I'm going to ask somebody to take your details.
Yes, Prime Minister, thank you. Sometimes when the rain falls, I have to walk up and down in the water to set pans and to catch the water. And these 10 girls here,
They're still strong?
sometimes they can't even stir my pot. I have to turn off the stove quickly and hold them up, before I can finish cook. Medical food to eat, But I learned to satisfy. But my first one, it one.
I'm definitely going to look at it for you.
Yes, thank
All right,
you.
I'll definitely look at it for you.
Yes, Prime Minister.
So how are you going to get back home?
There is a lady work here, and she take me back to the bus
Stop.
I take the car and go to town because my vehicle don't run down here.
Well, what we could do, we're gonna make sure we get somebody to take you right back. We'll make sure you get back home safely today.
Yes, so I go to town, and if I want any little thing to buy, I buy them. Now another lady put me on my taxi, and it takes me home. Sometimes they say, Grandma, you ready? I say, I soon come. You know, but my kids want me to help a little, yeah. Sometimes I alone at home because everybody passed and gone, and I alone is left. So next month is December, the 29th,
29th of December.
December.
You will be 94.
1929. I will be 95
95.
years of age. Yes, and they say I only have pressure on my heart. Sometimes I walk down the road and I can't come up back. I have to find another level road.
A level road to walk on.
Great Prime Minister, nice talking.
Oh no,
with you
no.
all.
My pleasure,
Yes.
my pleasure.
Because I said I'm not leaving, I have to know my Prime Minister. Yes.
So definitely, I mean, if I have to do it for myself, I'll get the house prepared for you.
Oh, yes,
All right,
Prime
and very quickly too. And if if we could find somebody to take her back home, you're planning to go to the market today?
Yes, Prime Minister.
You're going to the market?
One Saturday, I just can't take it. I can't
We'll take care of it for you today. We'll get somebody to take you down and ensure you
Yeah,
get to your
go
market
by.
and go home.
I go by my mother's. Yeah, I'm a tenant there and they don't treat me good. I have to go up to the station before I can get my
Your rent.
yes. Tell me all kind of words. Yeah. Yeah.
All right, Grandma. We're gonna look about your house for you.
Thank you.
All right.
My home is at.
Don't tell us your address yet. I'm gonna have somebody take the information from
Yeah,
you.
yes, Prime Minister. Thank you.
She's right here waiting.
Correction, yes.
Yes, to take your information.
Yes, thank you.
All right.
Yes,
And
thank
what's your
you.
name? You didn't tell me your name.
My name is Ethel
Ethel.
Escaffrey. That's my father's
Ethel Escaffrey.
name. But the
Your married name.
my name is Bethune.
Ah, so do you use both names, Escaffrey Bethune, or you just say Beth?
No.
You use both names.
Both of them.
Okay, so it's Ethel Escaffrey Bethune.
Because sometimes when they pass, you hear them say, Grandma's coffee. Hear me? She's here. And sometimes you hear them say, Miss Bethune, here we can't bother without her. Oh, now there's coffee.
That's your father's name.
But my pension is in Bethune.
Bethune.
Yes. Yes.
I'd love to sit down with you and just get a sense of what Jamaica was like in your time growing up.
Nice. And now what I notice, sometime now and then, a little package will come from me. Yeah. And they say, to your Prime Minister.
Ah, yes.
I say, thanks. Some promise me they don't. You know? But I'm here. Sometimes I say, what could have I done? The boy says, oh no, you do. You do a lot. Yeah. Them say, girl, how you take this life? I said, I have to enjoy. There is no other way. Yeah, thank God. Thank God. There's no one around me. Yes. I said, one day, when I come to the door and they said, Prime Minister, come in your room. I said, I have to know my Prime Minister. But sitting waiting on the lady over there, I get to survive, right? Yes.
All right, we're going to make sure
Thank you.
we take care of you
Yes,
and take care
thank you.
of the house for you.
Yes.
All right?
There's so much to take away from this video. It's rather touching the way she communicated how graceful and how gracious she is, and her struggles, to get around and to do her business even at 94 years old. And of course, the fact that her house was damaged during the hurricane. Now, I'm really hoping that the Prime Minister will get her some help really fast, as he has promised.
What did you do? What was your
And,
profession
we
before you
would
retired?
really love to continue following the story of
So you know
this
JOS
woman.
is
She goes by the name of Ethel Escoffrey Bethune, and she is an absolutely wonderful woman. So we really hope that she will get the help that she truly deserves. Thanks for making it JamFet. Remember to like,
bless you
share,
with long
comment,
life.
and subscribe to JamFet, celebrating the Jamaica culture abroad and abroad.
You preach.